Look at what we got from Rooted. I'm pretty excited about this one. Let me just move over here. What are you doing, Gyps? This is my cat jumping on the window. All right, let's start out with the first one here. I don't even know if I remember what I got. But let's see. I like the way they wrap them up. They do a good job, Rooted, of wrapping them up. What is that cat doing? Oh, yes. I know what this one is. I see the leaves. This, my friends, get the paper off to the side. Yes, Gypsy. This, let's get all the rubber bands off of there. Alocasia Azlanii, or the Alocasia Red Mambo. And yes, it was a little more expensive, but I wanted it really badly. I guess I'll rip it down the side. A smooshed leaf. A smooshed leaf. Look at this baby. And as it matures, it's going to get a little bit more red. But those are beautiful leaves. And it looks like it's in pretty good condition. Pretty good health. Right? There's that one little leaf, a little smooshy. And there's a new growth coming in. So you can see it right there. There's a new growth coming in. So, right there. Very nice. Very nice. On to the next one. We've got 3 plants today. This one looks a little smooshy too. It got smooshed. This is going to be the Philodendron Micans. Now, I already have one, but I just wanted another one. I depending on how this one looks, I either want to fill out my other one or just start a new one. And wow, this one looks super cool. I really hate rubber bands. I didn't want to have to take it off over. Let's take the rubber band off down instead of going up. There we go. Look at all of that growth. Look at that vine. Look at these leaves. Look at these leaves. Look at these beautiful leaves. Very nice. It's got a lot of new growth on it. It's in really good health. Really nice. So far, so good, Rooted. Or their website's heyrooted.com. Heyrooted. This is I'm probably going to leave this one like this and put it in a hanging basket. Move it over here with my Brandy Tina and my Stipulcana. Just move those out of the way. And the last one should be another Alocasia. And this one, oh, I can't remember its genus. It's like Latin name, but it's the Alocasia. It's the purple sword. They really do a good job of wrapping plants up. with rooted. A great job. Rubber band here. There we go. Purple sword. This one looks beautiful too. Really healthy plants. They didn't put anything in though to keep the soil. That's like my only issue, is that other places like Steve's Leaves, and I got some stuff from Logi's yesterday, but look at those leaves. I mean, I don't care if a little soil comes out. I mean, I'm gonna repot them soon anyway, but I won't repot them for about a week or two. Let them get acclimated to where I'm gonna have them in their permanent spot. Really pretty, really pretty. They did a good job. Get out of here, Gyps. She wants to come too. She wants to come show off. You like those new plants, baby? All right, that was it for today. I know it was kind of sloppy, but probably we'll have another one this week. I've got more plants coming. Say goodbye, Gypsy.